Yo, what is up everybody? And in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can change your chat's color, or in another word, theme as well. Color and theme are the same thing, but let's get into the topic. How you guys can change your chat color or theme on Messenger. So it's pretty simple. So let me open a regular chat. So this is what a default chat looks like in Messenger. Like if you think this is plain and bored and you want to change it to something interesting, or you want to change it to the color which you like, then you guys can do it. And there are a lot of themes available on Messenger as well. Now it's pretty simple. It is not as complicated as you guys look. Alright, so if you guys are bored of this regular default look, you can click on this icon over here at the top. Now remember, you need to do this individually for every single chat. Once I change it on this chat, all the chat is not gonna look same. Alright, so my chat with Abhinav is only gonna get customized right now. Once I'm over here, if I want to change its color, I can go on where it says theme, click on theme. As you guys can see, there's a lot of theme over here. I can choose whichever I want from here. Alright, so let's say I want a love theme. I can click on love, wait for some time for it to change, and as you guys can see, it changed. If I want to change it to another thing, I can click on it, click on theme again, and then choose another theme like the Fast Saga, and it has changed to the Fast Saga. Now let's say I want to change it color. Now remember, you cannot change the theme and the color. You have to choose either you want to change the theme or the color. Now once I change the color, the theme is gonna get removed, so just keep that in mind. Click on this icon, and then you want to click on theme. Once this opens up, you want to scroll at the bottom until you see colors. Now from here you can choose whichever color you want. Let's say I want this color, wait for some time, and as you guys can see, my chat color has changed. So yeah, you can either choose color or theme. You cannot change the theme and color at the same time. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can do it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button to our channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, drop it down in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.